Dear student, as your first chapter in English is regarding a monkey and an ant, a story, that's why today I want to tell you at what place you will use a, and at what place and where you will use an and the. So let us have a look to use of a, an and the. First thing is our a. At what place where you will use a. a का अर्थ एक होता है. a को indefinite article कहा जाता है. So dear student, a means one and a is called indefinite article. A is used in singular countable noun. A is also used before consonant sound. A is used in a countable noun. Like for example, a boy, a girl, a box, a pen, etc. So we got to know that a is an indefinite article. A is used in singular countable noun and a is used before the consonant sound. So remember this thing while you are using a. So come to the second thing, an. At what place where you will have to use an. An का अर्थ एक होता है. An is also one. बट आन को इंडेफिनाइट आर्टिकल कहा जाता है. आन को भी ए के जैसा क्या बोला जाता है? इंडेफिनाइट आर्टिकल. ए आन इज ऑल्सो an indefinite article. An is used in singular countable noun which sounds as a vowel sound. So in this place, an is used as in the place of vowel sound. Where you will find a vowel sound. What are the vowels? You know, we have 5 vowels and 21 consonant. So 21 consonant and 5 vowels will make the English alphabets, that is 26 English alphabets. So vowel are A, E, I, O, U. So in where we listen a vowel sound, at that place we will use an. Like for example, an ink pot. I is the vowel, so a vowel sound is here, that's why I am using here an. An ink pot, an umbrella. U is vowel, U is a vowel, so an umbrella. An engineer, so E is another vowel, so I am using here an before engineer. So from these we got to know that at what place we will use a and at what place we will use an. So read it mindfully. Then come to the. The को definite article कहते हैं. The is known as the definite article, whereas a and an both are indefinite article. The indicates a particular person, a place or an object. The is used before both singular and plural countable nouns. So we can use the in both singular and plural countable noun. Like for example, the earth, the sky, the Taj Mahal, the Ganga. So this is all about the use of a and the. I hope you got to know about the using of a and the. Like this you will form some questions, you will form some worksheet, you do some exercise in your home to make sure about the using of a and the. Here I am giving you some worksheet like this for practice. Look at here. Fill with a and the. First one already written here, an orange. O is an vowel. O is a vowel, that's why an is used here before O. Then igloo. What I will use here? I is a vowel, so I have to write here an. Then ring. R is a consonant. It's a consonant. Ring. R is a consonant sound. So here I will use A. Dex. D is a consonant. So A dex. Elephant is a vowel. So an elephant. Then sun. Sa is a consonant sound. So consonant, before consonant we have to use A. Then again I is vowel. So an. I will write here an. Then earth. The earth. Particular, one thing is given, so the earth. Sorry student, here it will be the sun. Particular, one sun is there, so it will be the sun. The earth. Then a rabbit. R is a consonant sound. The one. Moon is a particular, one thing, so the moon. The university, particular, one university, the university. An egg is a vowel, that's why an. Arm is a vowel, that's why I am writing here an. Then flower is, F is again consonant sound, so a flower. Then giraffe, giraffe, so here Z is a consonant sound, so I will write A. Like this you will do some more worksheet. I will give you for practice at home. Do it at home and get thorough about using of A, and the. Thank you.